Whoa, how'd you guys get there? Well, since you guys are hanging around, let's talk about replacing this factory bulb with something that's a little bit less yellow and hopefully brighter to better illuminate this trunk of this 2013 Acura TL. These are the Fin Lion bulbs I bought from Amazon. These are DE3175s in 31 millimeters, and the color temperature is 6000 K. There's a tab over here. Just push in, pull, and then the cover comes off. Then we're going to take this bulb out. We're going to install this new bulb. This has a heat sink on the back, so that will face up, obviously, and then have the LEDs shine down. Put the cover back in. And as you can see, the garage shop lights are now off. The trunk is much better lit now with the new bulb. I'm very happy with the purchase. It's quick and easy to install, and I should have just done this a long time ago. And just for comparison, here is the before and after. I did a little comparison while the bulbs were out, and as you can see, the LED one is a little bit bigger, although I did not have any problems installing that into the trunk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.